Oh.
Oh shit. Oh. That was a perfect combo. Oh my god. Oh fuck. That was perfect.
Open up the champagne. It's my house, come on. It's how we do. Sometimes you gotta stay in. And you know where I live. Yeah, you know what we is. Sometimes you gotta stay in. Welcome to my house. Baby, take control now. We can't even slow down. We don't have to go out. Welcome to my house. Play that music too loud. Show me what you do now. We don't have to go out. Welcome to my house.
You are now watching Shamshak.
It's my house.
Your mic must be really sensitive if it can pick that
Yo,
up.
shut that fucking shit off! Yo! Your fucking car, old man, fuck! Press it, dumbass shit! You fuck!
Yo, he really ain't playing Resident Evil. It was really outside.
Damn, bro. He's out there, bro. He's pressing the button and the shit ain't working. Dumbass, bro. Yo. Swear to God, that shit happens while I'm sleeping, bro. I'm fucking, ooh, man. I'm popping that fucking trunk. I'm breaking the wires. Yo, what the fuck is I'm trying to tell you? Don't you see I'm inside here? You ain't gonna hear me. Are you clear? Okay. Perfect. Yo. Fuck! Hold on.
1 hour later. There's a new. They're redoing.
This motherfucker with that alarm again. Yo, I'm about to go over there and fucking kill that bastard, yo. Go tell him something before I do it. Fuck. Look, man, please, bro. I got a child sleeping in here, man. You got school now, man. Cut that shit off. Oh my. I'm gonna be able to sleep, bro. This nigga got that car right in front of. Yo, hold on. You know you got that shit right in front. Park that shit over there. Fuck, yo, that's not fucking right. You park that shit right the fuck across the street. What the fuck, man? I don't fucking bother you. You got my fucking dog going over there. What the fuck's your problem? Just shut that shit off. Pop the wire. You want me to do it? I'll break the wire for you.
You a week.
Shit, bro. My dog don't even piss on his fucking lawn. Yo, that shit goes on one more time. I'm going out there. I'm popping that nigga's fucking hood.
Yo, expert.
How about you guys stop watching people with no shirts on? You know what I mean? Holy shit! Son of a bitch! Yo, I'm fucking weak, bro. Oh, man.
Yo, Felix, bro, I know that shit, you Felix. I know how you're doing that shit, Felix. I know how you're doing that shit, Felix.
It's not me, you dumb fuck. You think I want to hear that shit? You hear that fucking alarm? Holy shit. Yo, I'm asking you nicely, man. What is wrong with that shit? Yo, junk it. Junk that shit. Fuck. Yo. Get out of here, yo. Junk that piece of shit. Yo, that shit don't fucking leave. God, bro, this shit is pissing me off, man. Yo.
He said I'm asking you nicely.
I'm asking you nicely. Get that nigga tight as shit, bro. Holy shit, give me a break.
What happened? That's the event where, that's the event that was Jerry Law versus The Miz.
After 11 is when they started getting shitty.
I know, what do you think I feel? Fuck. I'm about a son of a bitch. I'm breaking that car today. Swear to God, yo, I'm gonna break the car, bro. Make it worse, bro. Just keep pissing me off. Fucking alarm, bro. I'm about to shove that shit down your throat. Yo.
Yo, my neighbor did the same thing, bro. And when we walked over in the middle of the night, they were like, I don't hear no alarm. Yeah, I was like, what do you mean, how you don't hear the alarm, bro? They come outside and all, they still didn't. They act like they didn't hear the alarm going off.
Oh. Oh my
I remember that when Randy was bleeding. Rob Van Dam was bleeding. Triple H was bleeding.
Look at along.
I just wanted to stop. Shut the fuck up, Felix. Don't cry.
I'll call the pop. He called the pop.
Oh my god, this Felix is too much.
I'll call the cops. That nigga said calling the Yeah, I called the cops. I told him he's harassing me with the alarm. I told him he told me he was gonna do that all night until it bugged me.
It's hilarious, bro.
No, it's not, bro.
Yeah, you ever been in that situation where from the other side it's funny as hell, but the person's actually pissed off?
No, on this side I'm getting harassed.
Yo, just
oh my god, the cops are taking so fucking long. Are they taking me as a joke? This is serious shit, bro. I'm getting harassed.
this is serious shit, bro. I guess I suck your dick tonight.
I think this game is harassing me.
Shut the fuck up, bro. You don't know what harassment is.
What?
Yo, nigga. Oh my god.
Shut the fuck. What the fuck is this?
Calling the cops is fucking me molested over here by a fucking alarm.
He said molested.
It's just shut off and now it's back on.
I feel bad for you, bro.
It's like this old man wants to fuck with me today, but don't worry, I'll get him tomorrow. Watch. Might have my dog take a mean ass shit right in his fucking lawn.
Yo, your mean ass shit right in his fucking
lawn. And then
lawn.
I'ma take one too.
I'm gonna say, nigga, you fucking stupid.
Yo, shut the fuck up. Bigger than his. Watch. I tell my dog, yo, watch my shit be bigger than yours, bro.
Yo, you fucking stupid.
Oh man, yo, I'm gonna put it on a plate and everything. Like, here you go. I'm gonna leave a letter like, you're welcome. Here you go. Breakfast. Enjoy. Stay back, you bitch. Put it right in the plate. Breakfast is served, motherfucker. Stupid, bro. Don't worry, bro. I got a lot of plans for that bastard.
Is this guy like old, like senile?
Yeah, he's fucking old, bro. Yeah, I don't give a fuck how old he is. Slap the shit out of his old ass.
You know that would be so funny if that was Edward's dad's car.
Yo, imagine.
Yo, what up, nigga? Yo, what up, my nigga Felix? Yo, bro.
Yeah, I think Felix would take out a gun.
Yo, why you shouting, my nigga? Yo, why you getting mad, bro? Yo, nigga, chill, bro. What the fuck you doing with this sledgehammer, my nigga?
What are you talking about?
The fuck you coming over with, bro?
Shut up.
The fuck are you doing, bro?
What are you talking about?
Felix, chill, bro. Chill, nigga.
Oh.
Damn, nigga. Nigga, you ain't gotta do all that shit now, bro. We can work this out. We can, nigga. We can.
Oh my god.
You said we can work this out.
Nigga, chill, bro. We fucking fam, dog.
Nah, you...
Nigga, what the fuck you doing?
Yo, bro, you trying to get me mad now.
Yo, Felix, you fucked up, because if you call the police, you can't murder him, because then they'll arrest you.
I'm gonna murder his ass. Nigga, that's fucking hell. Fuck, it's the wrong nigga, bro.
That shit's still going.
Nigga, Felix, chill, bro. Nigga, what you do with the chain, dog? What you do? Hey, don't lock my father up, nigga, please, bro. Nigga, please, bro. I'm begging you, nigga.
I remember earlier when he first flipped out. That shit was funny as hell.
Oh, so funny. You motherfucking think it's a joke, huh?
Yes, it's funny.
Yo, Felix, bro. Yo, nigga, chill, dog. Felix, dog, chill, bro.
You been quiet, man. Thank God.
Yeah, I know how he feels though, because that shit happened to me fucking for about 2-3 weeks straight. It's 5 a.m. in the morning, bro.
This shit's gonna probably go on all night. I ain't gonna get no sleep.
I know. Well, yo, I'm telling you, bro. It woke us up at 5 in the morning, even when I didn't have to work.
Look how, if you guys hear it clear, imagine how I hear it.
Yo, is he waking up the whole block or just you?
That shit's still cool.
I'm about to snap, bro. The cops aren't even here yet. I'm calling them again. The cops don't make it in time, bro. I guess they don't care if I go crazy. I mean, I'm calling them and warning them before I do it. That means they don't mind. I guess they want me to go out there and fuck that car up. If I do that, it ain't gonna be my fault because I called them. This motherfucker's harassing me. Can't just leave it like that. I ain't doing nothing bad, man. I'm innocent here. I'm the victim.
This dude is already preparing his statement, bro. I'm the victim here. I ain't do nothing wrong, bro. I'm the victim.
It started everything. It started molesting me. It started fucking with me for no reason, bro. What the fuck did I do?
Yo.
And for real, officer, motherfucker yelling at me back to back. I ain't start shit. You trying to blame me for no reason, officer. I mean, of course, yeah, I fucked up the car, but what the fuck? I'm not like harassment. That's self-defense.
This nigga Felix, bro.
Self-defense, yo.
Self-defense. Shut the fuck up.
Self-defense from a fucking car, dog.
Yeah, I got sensitive ears, officer. That shit, the doctor told me I can't be hearing noises like that. Not with that old bastard bitch around here. It's not right. So,
Turn up.
if anything, I have the right to sue you for not coming in time, officer. I called you. I was in distress. I needed help. You guys didn't arrive in time, so I took action to my own hands. I wasn't gonna let my ears grow up. It's a free country, right? I got the freedom of speech. I'm telling you, I didn't do anything wrong. I got harassed first. This old bastard's doing it on purpose. I'm telling you, that old bastard you had it in for me ever since I came in this house. You've been harassing my dog, everything.
Oh my god, Felix. You're the funniest person ever.
Yeah, you motherfuckers are laughing, bro. When I'm talking,
Yo, brother, you damn right I'm laughing, bro.
Yo. Idiots, bro. Yeah, it's like y'all ending this shit. Like y'all helping that motherfucker. What kind of shit is that, yo? Y'all laughing at shit that ain't even funny, bro. I'm suffering over here, bro. What the fuck I look like? Adam Sandler to you, motherfuckers? I don't give a fuck, bro. You're laughing at my suffering.
My nigga, I'm laughing at your pain right now, bro. I'm laughing at the situation.
Yo, Felix, I don't know how you do it. What we do when people do stuff like that, we fill up water balloons with piss and we throw it at them.
Not gonna shut that alarm off, is it?
Yeah, he's throwing out the car.
Yeah, you know what you could do? You could do what Brandon does. Shit out the window.
Shit out the window.
It might shift and just hope it lands on the car, bro. You know, you could always take and shit in a cup, fucking throw it on the car and nobody will ever know.
Or I can just grab that alarm, shove it down your throat.
Oh, shut the fuck up, dude.
Holy
strong.
Son of a bitch!